Now, most people understand that good videos leave an impact on the viewer. That is the end goal. One of the ways that you do that happens to be music. Music has the ability to literally change everything with a video. Now, the problem is when most people are picking music for a video, they pick what they personally like. They don't pick the music based on the audience that they're trying to reach. They pick what tickles their fancy, what interests them, and then they just slap that on the video and they think, yeah, I'm good to go. Realistically, let's be honest, it does not work like that. And then they wonder, why don't their video have the results that they wish it did? Now, normally this is down to two obvious reasons. One is that they don't know where to get royalty-free music. And two is because they don't know how to match music to the way that they want people to feel from their video. Now, I'm going to show you two examples behind me of two different videos. Both videos' imagery and the shots used within them, the edit, literally everything is identical. The only change is the music. But from the music, you can see how it's drastically changed the feeling and the mood and the emotions that are invoked on the viewer based on the change in music. Now, as I'll show you these videos, I want you to comment how each video made you feel. How do you think I wanted it to come across and how did it actually come across? Leave it in the comments below. So here's video one.
Kick it, sip a little bit of this liquid. She be screaming, whip! I be like, alright. Welcome to me casa, make yourself at home, do your do. Welcome to my pad, this your lab, go create your move. Lemon in my nigga, oh I love a figure. Girl, you know you dope, I don't care what others picture. Be yourself, how you see yourself, cause I see you perfect. How you laugh, how you giggle at my jokes, that makes me nervous. Put your sundress on the way, get gone, let your hair blow out. Charlie, tell me what you want, baby, I keep it pimpin', you're welcome to it, baby, I keep it pimpin', you're welcome to it.
So there was video one. Now tell me in the comments below, how did that come across with that choice of music? Now we're gonna play video two.
Winterland, tell me all your secrets. Fill me in on your wildest moments. Colored trees, your yellow leaves move me. Dancing roofs, your painted red shakes the room. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer. Winterland, you're my sailing ship. Guide me in when you head for your trip. Right out of this wicked black and
Now there was video two. Let me know how that came across and do you think it was different to video one? What was it that made it feel so different and what were the emotions that you felt from it? Which one was more playful? Which one was more serious? And the literal only thing that I changed was the music. But also this just shows you, and it's a perfect example of how music can change the video completely. So whenever you're creating a video, this is what I always say, start with the end in mind. How do you want people to feel? That should be your number one focus point whenever it is that you go about creating a video, before you even do a shot list on what you need to shoot. Now, hopefully that video was useful to you guys. I didn't pack too much information into it because I didn't want this video to be too long. But if you do want more information on how to specifically get across certain emotions and pick music out that gets across those emotions, let me know in the comments below and I'll be sure to make another video that's a bit more in depth on that topic.